Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A23 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Then you need to scroll down and tap on Biometrics and Security. Then click on face recognition and enter your current login method. Now you can finally choose continue and remember to keep your face in frame. Over here you can adjust stay on lock screen until swipe feature by tapping on this switcher and finally click on done. Then adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to, click on home button, and now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on. Icons that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!